This is my new Bristell two-seat aircraft. It has the 915 Rotax engine, 140 horsepower, which is a pretty new engine, and it can take me to about 170 miles an hour. Has the Duke 4-blade propeller, which was made specifically for that 915 Rotax engine. Has a tricycle landing gear. Also has the ballistic parachute, so if I really get into trouble, I can deploy the full plane parachute. Right now I'm at Macon County Airport. My home airport is Jackson County, which is about 10 minutes away. So here's a complete walk around. It has the Garmin G3X avionics. I'll do a second video that shows the sophistication of the avionics. And that's it.